Hey guys, JHub here. Quick update video because on the previous two videos on the ASTRO A50x, I mentioned that it did not have a 3.5 millimeter port on the back, so it wasn't really good for XLR setups. We have a solution now that you can actually use the A50x in your GOXLR, but it requires a couple extra steps. So quick, if you have a streaming PC and a gaming PC, I route all of my audio through my stream PC and then I port it out to the headset via a 3.5 millimeter jack. That way I can live mix XLR on the go. You can't do that now. There's no jack. But if you take the same cable that you were running to your old A50s and put it into the line in port on your gaming PC or the other PC where you have your A50s connected, because my A50s are connected to my gaming rig, but all the audio is mixed on my streaming rig, you can still do it. So plug it into the line in port. It's gonna have this blue color on its ring. I will show a picture here on stream. Plug it into there. Now following along, this is how you actually set up to get the actual audio now coming through the A50s. You're gonna right click down here on your volume, you're gonna click sounds. You're gonna have an option pop up right here. You'll see this. What you're gonna do is go to recording, then scroll down to your line in, click properties, listen, check listen to this device, and then select the A50x game or A50x voice. And now you'll be able to live mix your audio like you were doing before into the new headset. This is easily a very good find, a very good fix. Now you can use the A50Xs. So if this was holding you back from buying the A50Xs because you need the ability to listen through your GOXLR, hopefully this will solve it for a good chunk of you. I don't know how all of y'all are doing your audio mixes if you're using the GOXLR, but if you do it the same way I'm doing it, total fix. I've already tested it. I've listened to my streaming PC, my gaming PC, and my PlayStation 5, all pushing audio sources at the same time through the GOXLR into the headset, and I can live mix the audios. We're set, we're perfect. I'll be using the A50Xs now moving forward on all of my streams. So I hope this helps y'all out and maybe makes a decision for what y'all need to do. If you now want to buy it, there is code JHub10 will save you 10% on checkout. Use the link down in the description to get there. I hope this helps. Drop a like if you enjoyed, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you guys later.